Once in a while, we all get that one crazy thought. What if I become an Indian Air Force pilot? Wearing a G-suit, flying above the clouds in a Sukhoi or Rafale. Sounds like a Tom Cruise in Top Gun, right? But guess what? It's real. And it can be your story. If you are dreaming to fly a fighter jet to serve your country, then this video is for you. Prepare yourself to fulfill your dream. Today, I'm sharing you a step-by-step process to become a fighter pilot. Subscribe to our channel for more defense updates and news. The first step in fighter pilot selection is meeting the eligibility criteria. These are the basic requirements you must fulfill. Number 1, you must be an Indian citizen. Number 2, your age should be between 19 to 24 years. Number 3, you need class 12 with physics and maths. Number 4, minimum 60% graduation in any stream with physics and maths in 12th or B.Tech. Number 5, your height should at least 162 centimeters. Number 6, eye vision should be near perfect. There are 4 types of entries. Let's discuss one by one. Number 1 entry, National Defense Academy exam. If you are a candidate who completed class 12 with physics and maths, and your age is in between 16 to 19 years, you can attend this exam. Boys and girls are eligible for this exam. Once you clear the NDA exam, you need to clear other 3 tests, which is SSB, CPSS and medical tests. We will also discuss about these 3 tests. After clearing these 3 tests, you need to complete 3 years NDA training and 1 year Air Force Academy training. At the end of 4 years training, only top cadets get selected for fighter pilot training. Number 2 entry, Air Force Common Admission Test. If you are a candidate who completed the graduation with any degree, with class 12 physics and maths, or B.Tech with minimum 60%, you can attend this exam. Age limit is in between 20 to 24 years. Men and women are eligible for this exam. Once you clear the exam, you need to clear other 3 tests, which is SSB, CPSS and medical tests. After clearing these 3 tests, you will be shortlisted for flying branch, depends on your merit and medicals. Number 3 entry, Combined Defense Services exam. You can attend this exam. If you are a candidate who completed the graduation with any degree, with class 12 physics and maths, or B.Tech with minimum 60%. Age limit is in between 19 to 23 years. Only men are eligible for this exam. Once you clear the exam, you need to clear other 3 tests, which is SSB, CPSS and medical tests. After clearing these 3 tests, you will be shortlisted for flying branch, depends on your merit and medicals. Number 4 entry, NCC Special Entry. If you are NCC cadet holding NCC Air Wing C certificate with B grade or above, are directly eligible for SSB, CPSS and medical tests. Age limit is in between 19 to 23 years. Men and women are eligible for this exam. After clearing 3 tests, you will get trained to become a fighter pilot. As I said before, let's discuss about 3 screening tests one by one. First test is Services Selection Board interview. It's a 5-day personality and intelligence assessment for candidates applying to become officers in the Indian Armed Forces like Army, Navy and Air Force. SSB evaluates candidates with main qualities known as OLQS, officer-like qualities, such as leadership, team spirit, decision-making, mental or emotional strength. For detailed information, please check the above video link. Second test is Computerized Pilot Selection System Test. It's a mandatory VR test for candidates who want to become fighter pilots or helicopter pilots in the Indian Air Force. To assess mental sharpness, reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and decision-making needed for flying advanced aircraft. CPSS is a one-time chance only. If you fail, you're not eligible to become a pilot in the future. For more details, please check this video. Final test is Medical Test. It is basic medical checkups conducted at military hospitals like AFMC Pune, command hospitals, etc. These tests will assess your eyesight, height, weight, and other major health conditions. If you clear everything, you're off to Air Force Academy, Hyderabad. You'll go through Stage 1, Basic Flying. Stage 2, Advanced Jet Training. Stage 3, based on your performance, you're sent to fighter, helicopter, or transport. To fly a fighter jet, you have to be in the top ranks. If you're serious about becoming a fighter pilot, start building your mindset now and stay fit mentally and physically. Practice for written exams and work on your communication. To every young soul dreaming of the sky, your journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember one thing, don't die with regrets.